What's up everyone, this is Amy from TCO77 and today I'm going to be showing you how to flash a custom ROM for beginners or noobs who really doesn't know how to flash a custom ROM, or new to custom ROM, or new to flashing custom ROMs or anything. Alright, so here are just the basics. Custom ROM, what are they? They just stuff that you flash. Flash doesn't mean that you need a flash to flash it. Flash it means like you install it, but in a way that's a big installation. Alright, so custom ROMs are just like, it's for Android. It's an operating system, of course, based on Android, and it's Android based probably. Actually, yeah, it is Android based, but you get extra stuff with these custom ROMs. You know, like when you jailbreak an iPhone, you get tweaks. Custom ROMs are something that contains a lot of tweaks, alright? But it's not like tweaks at all, not at all, because you get tweaks on iPhone just to make your phone look like an Android, and then on Android you get tweaks to make your phone look like something that has never been available on iPhone or BlackBerry or anything before, alright? So let me show you how to flash a custom ROM. I'll be using my old Galaxy S to show you how to flash it. So let's just go ahead, and you're gonna hold down the up and down volume. You gotta go to your recovery mode, of course, alright? So you're gonna go to your recovery mode. In this case, on most of the new phones, you gotta hold down the power button and the power button plus the volume buttons all together. Hold on, sorry about that. So hold them together, and then when you get the thing, just let it go. And if it didn't work, then just wait until it reboots, and then it will work. Alright, so you're gonna get to recovery mode. Most of the time you get to a bootloader, then you go ahead to recovery mode. It depends how your phone works. On my Nexus 4, I have to go through a bootloader, then this. Alright. So let's say you want to flash a new custom ROM. You will have to wipe your data. Alright, let's say you're you don't, in any case that you do not have to wipe your data is when you update the custom ROM. Like, let's say I'm on AOKP build 5, but build 6 released, alright, the next version of the same custom ROM. I don't have to wipe data. All I need to do is just flash it over it. But like right now, I'm going from Pac-Man all the way to Xylon, and they both totally different custom ROMs, so you have to wipe data, alright? So just wipe data, factory reset, and wait for it. What will you do when you have a custom ROM? Like, let's say this phone did not even get Gingerbread. When you flash the custom ROM, I'm getting into 4.2.2, latest Android version, when the phone did not even get Gingerbread. See, this is kind of cool in custom ROMs, and custom ROMs aren't really only for stuff like updating and everything. They now do for customization too. Like, I have an Nexus 4 and it already got the latest Android version, but I have to flash a custom ROM because it's way more fun and you get more control over your phone. Now, you don't have to do this step right here, but it's recommended. Just wipe cache partition, wipe it, wipe that boot, and then wipe Delve cache. You don't have to do these, but it's just recommended. Then now you gotta go to install zip from SD card, and then choose zip from SD card, and then choose whatever you put in the zip. Actually, it's in my downloads. It's Xylon zip. Let me get it. It's Xylon 2.4. Yep, it's a beta. So you just click the power button to choose, of course, and then just in case you don't know, you use those to scroll up and down. Alright, so just click yes, install it. It might take a while, just let it settle. Depends on your phone how fast it is and the size of this, and then you probably get some boot and some animations. I can't really see any animation, but it's just awesome. So you get something on, like, you see the black bar in the background. When it gets filled, that means it's done. Alright, it might take a while. I'm just doing this for people who still doesn't know how to flash custom ROM. I'm not making fun of y'all that you still don't know. No one has ever been born not knowing everything, you know. I was one of y'all once. It's gonna be easy. It's gonna be like let's say you gotta be just having fun flashing custom ROMs over and over and over, especially when you have an old phone like this and it got really good Android development. Android development means it gets a lot of custom ROMs, a lot of good custom ROMs. Alright, so that means it got a lot of developers. Yep, and Yeah, and then you gotta be flashing custom ROMs all over and over and over. Now let's just go back to choose zip from SD card, and then now we're gonna flash the gaps. Gaps means Google Apps. All right, so GAPPS PP. So yeah, it's like gaps. Yeah, so that means Google Apps. So let's just go ahead and flash the gaps. There should be, it depends where you put it. I'm gonna flash the Android 4.1 gaps. I mean 4.2.1 gaps on the Android 4.2.2 thing, because I don't really have time to download the gaps right now. I think I already have them though. Yeah, I think I do have them, man. I forgot. It's okay. You could just go ahead and flash the gaps over again. All right, it's not that big of a deal, you know. I flashed these gaps on, you know, on mistake. Sorry about that. Let's just wait for it. Go ahead. Let's see if I have the normal gaps. Let's go to my downloads. Nope, I don't have the gaps. Not normal or anything, but I don't have the gaps for this Android version. But it's okay if it's, as long as the first two numbers are the same. Like I'm running this ROM is Android 4.2.2 probably, and I flashed the gaps from Android 4.2.1. It's okay, no biggie. But just put reboot system now, and then wait a little bit. It might take a while. But if I flash the Android 4.1 gaps on a ROM that's Android 4.2, then that will cause problems, of course, because these gaps are just too old. Now you gotta get an animation, of course, boot animation, which you could change. It says Xylon, Kanged, like from AOKP, Kanged, simple, fast, and smooth. I don't really want to make y'all wait much, so I'm gonna just go ahead and stop the video. So this was how to flash a custom ROM. You gotta set it up, of course, right now. And thanks for watching. Have a great day, night. Subscribe for more tutorials, and bye.